Campbell here, coming at you live with a recap of Friday's trading day. 3/8/2019, 3/7/2019 was my first losing day in 37 days. Today is the day that I redeemed myself, and I will continue this green streak again, hopefully for longer than 37 days. But as of Friday, I was green, so I'm going to go over those trades right now for you. Let's hop right into my first trade here, which was gold. And I came in and started looking at this chart here about 9 o'clock or so. So we were right around in here. Once we peaked up to 1301, I think I got a 1300 strike, 1300 and some change. I got a strike there on a put, and just kind of watched this thing collapse and took profits somewhere down in here. Super easy trade. It was almost crazy how this thing opened up. You know, you would expect a pullback, and that happened. So that one, I only took 5 contracts on it just because it was Friday. I wanted to stay kind of small, and coming off of a losing day, I just wanted to kind of regain my footing and my confidence back. So I took that 5 contracts there on that one. Fairly easy trade. It was pretty quick. I was in and out before 10 o'clock, and it worked out really well. So that was gold, or /GC. Alright, the next one was /CL, or crude oil. Started buying it around the 55.62 level. I had an order here that I got, an order around the 55.23 level, and almost got some more down in here, but I didn't, and I kind of regret it now. However, it was it was pretty good trade, and actually came back up and walked away very happy on that one. It took a while. It took to about let's see, about 1 o'clock or so before I was able to get out of this trade, and the expiry was at 2:30. So it wasn't that close, but it was kind of close, and both of these were dailies, so I had plenty of time and so to let the chart just kind of mingle around and do whatever it's going to do, and that's what I did. I walked away. Also 5 contracts a piece on this, and I ended up breaking even on this trade, and then taking a really good profit on this 55.23 level. So it's actually a little below that, but nevertheless it was a good trade. And so that wraps up Friday in the books. Still ended green on the week, even though yesterday was a massive, well, not a massive, but a pretty good red day, $700. I ended up today about $250 in the green, so that puts me on the week still up about $500 or $600, somewhere in there. So I'll close out the week positive. So I mean, it wasn't a great week, but it wasn't a red week either. So last week I had a $1,700 week. And then before that it was green too, and it was upwards, the same amount, 1,700, 2,000, somewhere in there. So it was overall a good week. So we'll continue on this track Monday and see what happens, and I'll keep you updated as much as I can. And just with this trading theory here I've got going on, and I love it. It's the best trading for my style that I've found with Nadex. Nadex is just the best for if you enjoy buying low and selling high. Nadex is awesome, because if you don't nail that first entry right on your entry, your losses are capped. You can't continue losing money. So it's not like traditional stocks where you're trying to pick up the bottom or trying to nail the top. If you don't nail it perfect, it's okay, because you've already predefined that risk when you purchase the contract. So if you bought the contract for $50, $50 is all you can lose. And if you do roll a position down, or what you would call in the stock world is averaging down or averaging up, you're not carrying that negativity all the way down to the next point where you purchase some more shares. When you buy another contract, it's a whole separate entity, so you're capped on that first one. It can only lose you so much, and then as it drops, you're able to pick up another one, and you're just that much more overdone. And then you can, since you're capped on the first one, it doesn't keep rolling down your negativity. You're able to come out quicker in the green to the upside than you would in traditional stocks, like averaging down. So that's just in that way of trading. If you enjoy trading that way, supply and demand type trading, and that's just the way I like to trade, and I've always traded that way. So anyway, Friday's in the books. Green day, green week overall, even though I had that loser. So Friday is 3/8/2019, and it starts day 1 of the new green streak. So let's see how far we can take it. Till next time, I'm out.